Dear delegates, good afternoon to all of you. When I was in Paris with you in June, I illustrated to you our project for Rome Expo 2030, a project dedicated to the relationship between people and territories, a project that gives voice to the identity of every nation. At the basis of our project is the respect for every participant from every country. In Rome, every nation will find its own space as an equal among equals to have the chance to showcase its identity. No matter how big or small you may be, in Rome, everyone has something unique to offer, and we want them to contribute on a level playing field. This is why we are ready to take action to ensure equal opportunities, also from a financial standpoint, for the widest possible participation. This is the essence of responsible and inclusive cooperation. This is the essence of Rome identity, the first megalopolis in history, the capital of dialogue among great monotheistic religions, a city where people and cultures have met and continue to meet, creating a unique combination between ancient roots and technological modernity. This is Rome. In Rome, every nation can express its maximum potential. Each national pavilion will become part of the largest solar farm ever built in a city, an innovative experiment in energy sharing. Each national pavilion will produce renewable energy channeled into the shared grid. Each national pavilion will become part of an international educational and scientific research hub, being enjoyed by visitors for decades. Because our project is designed to last over time, overcoming the dismantling of the pavilions. In Rome, each nation will leave its mark, a long-lasting mark, because Rome is a city that was there long before the Expo and will stay after it. Voting for Rome means all of this and much more. Voting for Rome today means also creating a platform for global youth to study together and initiate new enterprises together. Initiatives of any kinds, startups, new research projects, innovative solutions in a hybrid physical and digital format. Voting for Rome today means also trusting the Italian experience in welcoming millions of visitors from all over the world, each of them feeling at home. Voting for Rome today means building our future together. Choosing Rome Expo 2030 means choosing this all. Scegli Roma. Let's bring history to the future. Thank you.